This is why you do not use the black corrugated pipe. Stuff gets in it like crazy and it ends up turning.
And this is why you need cleanouts.
Yeah, if you don't have cleanouts, this all gets stuck in here and you're screwed. It builds up and then eventually it's useless. And then you end up looking like a crazy guy with all this gunk on you. So, do it the right way. PVC all day long. Reason 3,426 why you do not get corrugated pipe. Because if you do that, it immediately smashes. If you drive over the car, it immediately smashes. If you do the same thing to a PVC pipe, it doesn't smash. It does not do that. Please, do it the right way. Use PVC. And here's a prime example of how not to run a French drain. As you can see this, they put the black perforated pipe in. Pulled a piece of it out already, but there's no sock around it, no filter cloth, no nothing. So as you can see, dirt, rock, everything ended up getting into it and it makes it so it doesn't work. So do it right the first time. And this is why you need to make sure you have cleanouts on your downspouts. Because eventually, if you don't, as you can see, the whole entire pipe will fill up. And then your system is useless. So make sure you have cleanouts that actually work. And don't glue them.